Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about what happened to your body if you have eaten raw onions. So without any further ado, let's dive in. A doctor surprises everyone with this information and reveals that by taking onions in these ways at night, you will get amazing health benefits that will make you 10 years younger than your age and will change your life for the better and also treat many diseases in your body, but provided that it's taken in the correct way and you choose the healthy type, as we will mention in this video. Before we start, if you have taken onions, press like to know the number of people interested in these types of videos, and if you are a new follower, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Welcome again. If you take onions at night, see what happens to your body. Onions have a strong smell caused by a group of active substances in them, which make onions not only distinguished by their delicious taste, but also by the presence of many health benefits, as onions contain large amounts of important minerals, most notably sulfur, as well as antioxidants, quercetin, and flavonoids. Raw onions contain the highest concentration of active substances, which decrease when cooked. Before starting the video, let me tell you about a product that may be useful for you. Balmorex is a soothing cream designed to alleviate back and joint pain. It offers quick relief with its cooling sensation and pleasant scent, making it convenient for daily use. However, effectiveness may vary depending on the severity of pain and individual sensitivity. Check the link in the description for more information. Now let's go to our video. There are 3 colors of onions: white onions, yellow onions, and red onions that tend to be purple, which contain all the benefits that we will talk about in this video. As for the remaining yellow and white colors, they are less beneficial. We will also talk about the correct ways to use onions. The amazing health benefits of onions. Firstly, enhancing testosterone. Onions are very beneficial for men as they increase the production of testosterone, the male hormone, and activate blood circulation in the body, which contributes to increasing the rate of blood pumping in all parts of the body and a feeling of activity and vitality for all men. As the flavonoids found in onions fight various diseases that cause a decrease in blood flow in men, and also works to enhance men's sperm, as onions contain vitamin B1, which provides sperm cells with energy, and vitamin B2, which fights free radicals that affect sperm health. Onions also reduce the risk of prostate enlargement. Secondly, improving hair. Onion juice is characterized by many effective properties and vital compounds that strengthen the follicles and treat scalp problems, as onions are rich in sulfur, which helps stimulate blood circulation within the scalp and help supply the follicles with increasing amounts of oxygen, which strengthens the hair roots and stimulates hair growth. Sulfur increases hair density and also treats any fungal or bacterial infection in the scalp that causes hair damage and loss. Finally, it's very effective in fighting and getting rid of dandruff. Third, improving the skin. Onions contain vitamins E and A, which are effective substances that protect the skin from fine lines found in the skin and limit the appearance of signs of aging. Onions also contain antioxidants that prevent the appearance of wrinkles in the face and vitamin C, which gives the skin freshness and radiance, enhances skin health, and helps get rid of dark spots and skin pigmentation. Onions are also considered an effective antibacterial, as they treat acne and bacteria and contain high acidity, which contributes to removing moles on the skin. Fourth, onions are very beneficial for the eyes. Studies have shown that onions prevent the growth of bacteria that are found in the eyelids and conjunctiva, as onions have antibacterial and antimicrobial properties that help in treating inflammation, such as conjunctivitis and blepharitis, preventing blurry eyes, preventing the risk of cataracts, and relieving eye strain. Onions also treat ophthalmia and clean and disinfect the eyes by shedding tears, which contributes to maintaining the safety and health of the eyes. Fifthly, improving sleep. Onions are derived by their rich content of nutrients and natural antioxidants, such as tryptophan, which is one of the amino acids that supports the body's production of the hormone melatonin, which has a role in reducing the problems of difficulty sleeping and helps alert the brain to deep sleep, which makes taking onions before bed contributes to getting enough sleep, reduces insomnia, and reduces stress levels, as onions contain dietary fiber and vitamin C, which help reduce stress levels during the evening, which helps with sleep. Sixth, cancer prevention. Onions are a rich source of antioxidants, especially vitamin C, which makes them protective against cancer of the colon, throat, ovaries, brain, stomach, esophagus, and prostate. Onions work to inhibit the growth of cancer cells and prevent damage to cells. The antioxidants in onions also work to fight free radicals that cause cancer. Seventh, reducing bad cholesterol levels. Onions contain chromium, which reduces levels of bad cholesterol in the blood and increases levels of good cholesterol, which reduces the risk of heart disease, stroke, and high blood pressure. Regular intake of onions prevents the formation of fibrin, which causes clots, and sulfur compounds improve the functions of red blood cell membranes. Eighth, strengthening the immune system. Onions contain large amounts of vitamin C, vitamin B, and vitamin K, and also contain many minerals such as calcium, magnesium, sodium, potassium, and selenium, which is a natural antibiotic. All of these vitamins have many health benefits that strengthen the immune system and make it provide the body with energy and vitality as they contribute to the preventing a variety of diseases, such as eliminating intestinal worms and various viruses, recovering from colds resulting from respiratory tract infections, coughs, and germs such as salmonella. Onions also reduce the severity of asthma and reduce swelling caused by arthritis. Ninth, reducing blood sugar. Diet plays an important role in controlling blood sugar levels, and one of the most prominent vegetables that helps with this is onions, as they contain antioxidants such as flavonoids that help maintain blood glucose levels, and they contain sulfur compounds and quercetin, which work to reduce blood sugar levels and in the cells of adipose tissue, the liver, and the pancreas. Onions have an effective role in increasing insulin secretion, which increases insulin sensitivity. 10th, losing weight and burning fat. Many studies have proven that onions contribute to reducing weight and reducing the storage of excess fat in the body because they contain quercetin, which is an antioxidant compound that helps burn fat. Onions are also rich in healthy fibers that help increase the duration of feelings of fullness, which works to reduce meal intake. 11th, improved digestive system performance. Onions are rich in healthy fibers and probiotics, which are essential for the health of the digestive system in general and the intestines in particular, as they enhance the digestion process and enhance the absorption of important minerals such as calcium, protect against diarrhea, reduce inflammation, and treat stomach pain and stomach ulcers. The correct way to prepare and take onions. You can take onions as juice, where you can cut an onion into several slices. As we mentioned before, it is preferable to choose onions with a red skin, which carries most of the benefits we mentioned. Then put the slices in a cup of water and leave it for 6 hours and take a cup before bed. Always remember that taking onions in all their forms is beneficial, whether you take them as an addition to a salad dish or take them as juice, or put the juice on your skin and hair as well. You will get many benefits. Even onion peel is useful and can be used in some natural recipes. Dear viewers, this was all we have today. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Write your opinion in our comment section, and people who follow us for the first time, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to receive all new videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.